Look at that beautiful mimosa. Look at that beautiful girl. Look at that beautiful tree. Look at her. Oh my. Oh my goodness. She's beautiful. You're beautiful. Yes, you are. Look at how beautiful you are. Notice in the background, nothing else is moving, guys. Nothing is moving but the mimosa. No other trees. Just this beautiful little girl right here. Look at that. Look at you. You're beautiful. You're beautiful. You tell me trees can't hear you. You get the understanding that they can. It'll change your life. You're beautiful, little mimosa. Look at your pom-poms. I fixed your hair bow. I fixed your hair bow. Yes, I did. I did. I fixed your hair bow. Yeah. You're beautiful. Yes, you are. You're beautiful. You like that? You like to talk? You like me to talk to you? Yeah. You're pretty. You're beautiful.